Hi, second graders. Mrs. Ishams here. We are going to do our last part, our last magazine for topic 14. So this is for 14.4. It's called Problem Solving. Try, check, and revise. Let's get started. Words to know. Say it. Words to know. Oh man, this is going to make me hungry. Roll. Say it. Roll. Oh, I can't hear that. Can you hear that? I can't hear that. Let's fix that. Roll.
Roll.
There we go. Pita.
Pita.
Bagel.
Bagel.
And loaf.
Loaf.
Great job, second graders.
Read and understand. Leah paid 93 cents for 2 kinds of bread. Which 2 kinds did she buy? Let's find out.
Okay, let's think. Leah paid 93 cents for 2 kinds of bread. Which 2 kinds did she buy? Let's find out. Okay, let's stop and think. What is the question asking us? Which 2 kinds did she buy for 93 cents? So that means, do we need to add or subtract? Add.
What do you know?
We know she bought 2 breads for 93 cents. We know bread prices here.
You know the prices of 4 kinds of bread.
So a roll costs 23 cents. A pita costs 37 cents. A bagel costs 48 cents. And a loaf costs 56 cents.
What do you need to find?
What do we need to find? Which 2 rolls cost 93 cents?
You need to find which kinds of bread Leah bought. How many kinds of bread did Leah buy?
Yell it. 2.
Leah bought 2 kinds of bread. How much did Leah pay for the 2 kinds of bread?
How much did she pay for the 2 kinds of bread? 93 cents.
Leah paid 93 cents for the 2 kinds of bread. Plan. One way to solve the problem is to use the try, check, and revise strategy.
So today we are going to try, check, and revise.
What should you do in the try step?
What do you think we should do? Should we pick 2 breads and add them together to see if they equal 93 cents? I think so.
Choose 2 kinds of bread and add their prices.
Man, this is actually good.
You chose a roll and a pita.
Okay, so we're going to do a roll for 23 cents and a pita for 37 cents. We're going to add them together and hopefully we get how much? 93 cents. Let's try it.
So, 23 cents and 37 cents is 60 cents.
Okay, so remember we always start with the ones place. 3 plus 7 is Partners for 10. I hope you know that song. 10. You can't have 10 in the ones place, so you leave a 0, regroup the 1, 10. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. Does that equal 93 cents? No.
What should you do in the check step?
Maybe see if it equals 93 cents.
See if the sum is 93 cents.
Is it? No!
The sum is not 93 cents. What should you do in the revise step?
What do you think we should do in the revise step? Maybe choose 2 different breads.
If the sum is not 93 cents, try another pair.
Okay, so what did we pick here? 37 cents. A pita and 56 cents is a loaf. Okay, let's try it. Ooh, this is a near double. So if I know 6 plus 6 is 12, 6 plus 7 is 13. So we can't have 13 in the ones place. So you leave the 3, regroup the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. Ooh, did we get it?
This time you chose a pita and a loaf.
Oh, we know.
So, 37 cents and 56 cents is 93 cents. Solve, look back, and check. Did the first try work?
Nope.
Explain.
It sure didn't. 23 cents plus 37 cents is 60 cents. That's way less than 93 cents.
No, the sum of the breads was 60 cents, which was too low.
Too low, so we had to pick another one.
What did that tell you to do?
To try again.
It told you to try the bread with a higher price.
Yep. Pick higher prices.
Did the second try work? Explain.
Yes, it equaled 93 cents.
Yes, replacing a roll with a loaf gave a sum of 93 cents. What did Leah buy?
Okay, let's go back and look. 37 cents. Ooh, here. She bought a pita and 56 cents a loaf. So she bought a pita and a loaf.
Leah bought a pita and a loaf. Now you know how to use the try, check, and revise problem-solving strategy to solve problems.
Okay. Let us look at our magazine. So, get out your math magazine, please, and let's do the front page together. We're going to try, check, and revise. Okay, you have learned different ways to use addition and subtraction to solve problems. Today we're going to learn how to solve problems by trying a method and checking your results, and then revising your method. So, suppose you have 50 cents. You're going to buy one of these items, and it's going to give you change, so what's left is 16 cents. So our goal, I'm going to write that right here, is 16 cents in change. We're going to have 50 cents to start with. Ooh, let's think. Our goal is to have 16 cents left. We start with 50 cents and we're buying what item would give us 16 cents left. Let's just start with, maybe this marker here, which costs 24 cents. Okay, notice that we are subtracting here. If I have, remember, we need to start with the ones. If I have 0 things, can I take 4 away? Is that possible? No! So you need to regroup. You cross off the 5 tens, that becomes 4 tens, and that will hop on over to the ones, and that 1 10 now becomes 10 ones. Now, 10 minus 4 is 6. And then 4 minus 2, that's a double, is 2. We're left with 26 cents. Now, our goal is 16 cents. We didn't quite make it. So should we see if we could buy a more expensive item? So I'm looking over here. Here, we had a 6 and a 1. So subtracting a 4 is good for us, right? We have 0. If we take away 4, we got a 6. So what number has a 4 in the ones that's bigger than 24? Maybe let's try this eraser. Let's try it again. 50 cents minus 34 cents. Let's try it. If I have 0 things, can I take 4 away? No! So you cross off the 5 tens, it becomes 4 tens. Cross off the 0 ones and it becomes 10 ones. 10 minus 4, that's a partner for 10, equals 6. Don't forget your set sign. 4 minus 3 is 1. Did we get 16 cents in change? Yeah, so the eraser. Woo-hoo. The eraser is what we bought for. We gave them 50 cents. We bought it, the eraser, for 34 cents, and we got our 16 cents in change. Okay, now let's do another problem. Suppose you bought 2 items that cost 83 cents in all. So I'm going to write our goal here. Our goal is 83 cents. What 2 items did you buy? Let's go shopping. We need 3 in the ones place. Let's do, I like that notebook. And it's a bigger number because this number here is 83. That's a pretty big number. So the biggest item, let's try the notebook and then maybe the eraser. So 39 cents and 34 cents. Ooh, whenever Mrs. Isham's trying to add a 9, I always think of it as a 10. I know 10 plus 4, it's so easy to add a 10. It's 14. But we're not adding 10s, we're adding a 9. So I just take 1 away. So 9 plus 4 is 13. Can I have 13 in the ones place? No, so you need to leave the 3 and regroup the 10 ones as 1 10. Put it on the tens place. Ooh, we have a doubles. Let's do the doubles. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Ooh, darn it. Our goal was 83 cents. 39 cents left. Let's remind me, what did I get here? We had the notebook. And the eraser. Man, we didn't make it. Let's try. That means we need to buy some more, 10 cents more. Well, what's the most expensive item here? Let's try. Maybe the paper clips. And then let's try the notebook again. That's the second paper clip. Mr. Isham thinks I'm crazy that I'm singing to myself. And let's try the notebook. Ready? 39 cents. Notebook. Ooh, okay, remember we're adding a 9 and 5. I pretend it's a 10. 9 plus 5. So that's 15 minus 1 is 14. Leave the 4. Regroup. That's 8. Ooh, we barely made it. No, we didn't make it. Oh, you can't even see that. Oh, Mrs. Isham. Oh, man, we're 1 cent over. So this is a notebook. It's 39 cents. Is there something 1 cent less? Let's try the staple real quick. I know we're out of room, so Mrs. Isham's just gonna go right here. 45 cents for the paper clips. And then the stapler, 38 cents. Let's do 8 plus 5. 5 plus 5 is 10, 11, 12, 13 cents. 1, that goes right there, is 83 cents. We made it. Okay, I only have 15 seconds left. Okay,